Making your English sound better, using prepositional phrases as adverbs. Hello, English learners. Today, we're delving deeper into the wonderful world of English grammar. Our focus for this video is on prepositional phrases as adverbs, specifically how to use prepositional phrases to modify other adverbs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to add more detail, context, and clarity to your English sentences. First, let's refresh our memories. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun, often known as the object of the preposition. Examples of prepositions include in, at, on, over, under, etc. When a prepositional phrase functions as an adverb, it can modify verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. As adverbs, these phrases answer questions like where, when, how, and to what extent. Let's consider this sentence. She dances with grace. The prepositional phrase, with grace, modifies the verb, dances, explaining how she dances. Now let's focus on our main topic, modifying other adverbs with prepositional phrases. This simply means using a prepositional phrase to provide more information about an adverb in a sentence. Consider this sentence. He runs quickly. Quickly is the adverb modifying the verb, runs. But how can we add more detail? Let's add a prepositional phrase. He runs quickly in the morning. The phrase, in the morning, modifies the adverb, quickly, telling us when he runs quickly. Here's another example. She reads quietly. Adding a prepositional phrase gives us, she reads quietly in the library. In the library modifies quietly, giving us the location where she reads quietly. Remember, when you're using prepositional phrases as adverbs, they should provide additional details that enhance the understanding of the adverb they are modifying. In today's video, we explored how to use prepositional phrases as adverbs to modify other adverbs. This is a great tool to make your English sentences more detailed and precise. So, next time you find yourself writing or speaking in English, try incorporating prepositional phrases as adverbs. You'll be surprised at how much more vibrant and engaging your language can become. Keep practicing, and don't forget to explore and enjoy the journey of learning English. See you in our next video.